Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 10. Got a full week under our belt. Thank you guys again for joining me for this Cookmas recipe. For today's recipe, I was inspired by none other than Big Belly Bob. If you guys aren't familiar with this channel, go ahead and check him out. He's got some great content on there. But he actually made a southern cornbread salad that looks so delicious, I just had to try it. So I'm going to go ahead and make my take on his southern cornbread salad. So I guess I already tasted this because he did feature this on his channel where I do sometimes frequent. And it was very, very good, and I definitely wanted to give it a try here and bring it to you. So if this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, I think we are super close to 2K. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright y'all, so here is my take on the southern cornbread salad. Again, it is a layered salad, so you can choose whatever you like. I do appreciate you guys coming to check out this Cookmas video today. And if you can, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe. Share this video out, appreciate that so much. Thank you guys. On that way to 2K still, 2K subscribers. So if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead, join the fam, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys, happy holidays and take care. Bye guys.